Top 7 Wonderful Cleaning Tips Involving Baking Soda. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. If you have never tried cleaning with baking soda, you are missing out on a lot of great ways to address this chore. Baking soda, as it turns out, can be used for so much more than baking cakes. It is cheap and will always be available when you need it the most. If you want to give it a try, you can do it in several different rooms, all to a very good standard. Let's watch on how you can proceed to clean with baking soda. Cleaning in the bathroom. Whether it is a shower head blocked by hard water deposits, or perhaps a messy toilet bowl, you can utilize baking soda to a great extent. Here are a few tasks you can address in the bathroom with baking soda. Number 1. Use it instead of a cream cleaner. Just a sprinkle of bicarbonate of soda on your sponge will allow you to clean any surface you would normally need a cream cleaner for. It does wonders against dirt and grime. The benefit is that it doesn't have a lingering chemical smell. Once you use the baking soda method, finish with a soft microfiber cloth. Number 2. Clean combs and hairbrushes. Gunk can accumulate over your hair tools over time. If you want to address the problem, you want to clean them every few months. Use baking soda for this purpose. Mix warm water with 1-2 teaspoons baking soda and soak the hair tools in it for about an hour. That should clean them right up. Number 3. Clean your toothbrushes too. Bacteria can develop on your toothbrush at an alarming rate. You can address the problem by soaking the head of it in a mixture of 1/4 cup baking soda and 1/2 cup of water. Rinse it well, and you will not be transferring bacteria in your mouth. Number 4. Clean grout. Grout is porous and it won't be long before it gets stained and develops mold spores. There is a fine way to address this problem, and it comes with baking soda. This time you will mix it together with hydrogen peroxide. Apply the mix on the grout and leave it there for 10 minutes. Rinse with water and behold the blinding white result. Cleaning in the kitchen. Using chemical-based cleaners in the kitchen is really not ideal, because that is where you cook and prepare food. Toxic ingredients are not the thing to introduce, and so you can try a more natural approach with baking soda. Number 5. Degrease the oven. The oven can fall victim to all sorts of splatters and grease. Bicarbonate of soda is a fantastic solution to utilize. Simply make a paste with enough baking soda and water, then cover the messy area. Leave it there for about 2 hours and then wipe with a wet sponge. You will find the result quite satisfying. Number 6. Unclog the sink. A common issue for kitchen sinks is clogging. What you can do is pour 1/2 cup of baking soda and then follow up with white vinegar. This should dissolve any buildup in the area. Follow up with water and you will have yourself a nicely declogged sink. Number 7. Freshen up smelly sponges. Don't bin your sponges just yet. First, you can try a little baking soda magic on them. Soak the sponges in a bowl full of warm water and a few tablespoons of baking soda. Air dry them and they will be as good as new. All of these cleaning tips work wonders with baking soda in your bathroom and kitchen. Make sure to use them well and you will not regret it. Consider the help of trained cleaning professionals such as the ones at FastKlean. Our company can help you deal with home cleaning. Simply call 020-8884-9149. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out how our cleaning company can help you. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.